Well, hey there. Welcome to the channel. If you're here, you're probably looking for a review or recommendation on some riding shoes. And I have a pair just for you. So let's get to it. So I picked these up probably about 7 months ago from Amazon. And I was just getting a bunch of stuff for the winter. So I was trying to stay on the budget. And I got these for about 40 bucks. And I have to tell you that they're not perfect, but I would still buy them again. So now let's get the non-perfect thing out of the way. And I'm not sure exactly how this and what happened, but you will see that right here in the crease, there's actually a small little break. Now it's not opened up all the way, but it definitely you can see a scar. I'm not sure if I actually rubbed onto something and if this was my fault, and possibly could be, because the rest of it actually holds up really good. So the laces are really nice. It does have a nice protection for your shifter, and actually obviously the shifter, somebody will tell me it's on the left, and yes it is, so they're kind of keeping it symmetrical. Now, laces are protected, and what I like about these is that they have a zipper on the side. So your laces are covered. They're not getting tangled up in your brake lever, shifter, whatever you have it. And they actually look good. So I wear them a lot. And when I say a lot, I have two bikes over here. I have the Street Fighter and I have a Ducati Diavo. Here are the pictures. And I wear these quite often. They look good. So even when I ride up to a store or some sort of an event, I can just take off my jacket and then go about my business. And it actually looks like a nice high top shoe and not a typical motorcycle shoe. They're definitely true to size. So I ordered 45, which is a roughly 10 and a half, 11 US. And that's what I wear. And these are definitely true to size. They fit well. They're, I wouldn't say they're waterproof. I got caught in the rain more than once and my feet never got wet. So they definitely do a great job protecting my feet, and I think they're super stylish. So like I said, there is a little battle scar on this one after 7 or 8 months of wearing it, but I think you guys have to admit they hold up pretty darn well for all this riding and just wearing them for this many months. So I'm sure I'm gonna get another 6, 7 months out of these for sure. So for 40 bucks, I highly recommend them, and they pick some up. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you end up picking them up from Amazon, use the link in my description. Thanks for watching. Until next time.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for new videos.